in a sentence, hip hip hooray. Said is a word that we love to say. Spell it with me, let's learn it today. Said, said, say. Said, said, say. Said, said, say. Let's spell it S-A-I-D. Said.
Today's sight word is said. Can you say it? Said. Great. Now let's spell it together. S-A-I-D. Said. Amazing. Said is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Said. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.